Namaskar, welcome. Yoga is a method, is a technique by which you are dissolving your personal identity, your personal existence with the whole, with the existential existence, and experiencing the oneness. Look, to understand the whole process is very challenging, but it can be very easy if you go through a graphic. So, let's understand all the concept, all the process by a graphic. Suppose, my dear friend, this circle is existence. This whole circle is existence. And here in the existence, you exist, I exist, he exists. So everybody exists. So suppose this is you. This is me. This is he. This is she. It is it. So, this is your personal existence. This whole circle is existence. It is all about the existential existence. This is your personal existence. This is my personal existence. This is his personal existence. This is her personal existence. Look, if you dissolve your personal existence, then don't you think that you will merge with the whole, the existential existence? This is me. I am dissolving my personal existence. So, I am also dissolving with the whole. He is also, look, she is also. You are here. You are not going anywhere else. Just you are dissolving, because you means, look, you means the outer red circle is your ego. And this inside the red patch is your personal consciousness. Is called soul. So it is here. It is as it is. Just you need to dissolve this outer layer. Then you will experience the oneness. So in this way, you can dissolve. So to dissolve this outer layer, you need a method, you need a process. That is all about yoga. So my dear friend, yoga is all about dissolving your ego. Then you can experience, you means your personal consciousness, your soul, your personal existence. Dissolve with the whole and experience that I am everything, and experience the oneness. I hope you got it. If not, don't hesitate to ask all your questions. I am here to help and support you. Thank you very much for your precious time given over here. Take care. Have a great time ahead.